It's the Ramen coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And this one is from an Umai crate. Go to japancrate.com. Use the coupon code TheRamenRaider and get yourself a discount. This is a Higashimaru vegetarian shoyu? Kagoshima shoyu, I believe. How long we need? 3 minutes. 2 to 3 minutes. I'm gonna do 2 because I don't have time to mess around. So, take this thing, crack it open. Seasoning, noodle block of noodles in the boil. Timer on. Fork, pushing. Hey. So yeah, I've got 22 minutes to finish up this. Let's do our quick quote of the day from Omomofuku Endo Speaks, quotes from the guy who invented the instant noodle way back in 1958. Number 214. There you are, having another meeting. You meet, but don't discuss. Are you really reaching any conclusions? Yep. Very true. It's a meeting. Everyone meets. They've met each other before. What's important about having this meeting? Well, we're gonna meet. Beautiful. Beautiful. So, there's a road, there's not 68th, but I think it's 71st Street, and it goes over, and then there's the trail, and it goes under that street, and there's like this little corridor. It's lit. It's really weird. Well, that's been a place where there's been a lot of graffiti, and I've always, when I've gone through, it's like you see somebody put up a new piece of graffiti. If it's a tag, it's like, meh, but if it's like a piece of art, I really like that. Well, I really wanted to add to that. So I didn't want to do anything that was going to be considering defacing public property. So it occurred to me I could take sidewalk chalk and do stuff on the ground. Well, I am proud to say this is March 11th? Yeah. I did a piece on the ground back in February 16th. And I did quote number 42 from the Momofuku Ando book, which reads, "Think, think, and think again. When I beat my brains out, I pass blood in my urine." It's been there for over a month. And, oh no, almost a month. I'm getting ahead of myself. And it looks almost as fresh as the day that I put chalk to pavement. I found the exact perfect spot where people that are on the trail walking don't step on it, and nobody rides a bike on it, and the ceiling of the little tunnel doesn't have a leak that comes out right there. It's all just like a perfect little storm of like stuff that works out really well. So that's kind of neat, I gotta say. So let's give this a try. This is not looking as good as I thought that it would, but we'll fix that. We'll fix that. I just got a message from my wife. I wonder what she said. There is the broth. Maybe our car's done. That's tasty. Very tasty. I'm pretty sure I like this noodle. Oh yeah, that's the spicy Kagoshima animal-free ramen. Not for long though, you can count on that. Now that's good. I am going to add some chili oil to it and give it a stir at this point. I like that. So now we stir it up. Now what's going to happen is it's going to disperse, but when you let it sit in the bowl, it'll all come together on the outside or in different spots and then start. Yeah, there it goes. Oil likes to hang out with oil, especially in a ramen bowl. At least that's my experience. I'm gonna go with this bowl today. It doesn't get as much FaceTime as I guess it should. There we go. I don't know. I like the bowl, but it can be kind of a pain too. Well, like I said, we're gonna say goodbye to the whole meat-free atmosphere in this one. Mung bean sprouts. There's some fun tunes coming up for you. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Time for a beautimous egg. An egg that will send you into convulsions. Pretty much. Pretty much.
All done.
Wow, look at you go. Little Mimi getting all done. Ooh, yeah. And you're under... Cool. Good job. Say hello to all the nice people in TV land.
Hi.
Hi. Mimi did good in school yesterday, and day before yesterday, and she's gonna do good in school today too, huh? Add a little liquid to those eggs. And we've got some nice Naruto maki. I like this. I like the color of this broth. It has a nice disposition. I gotta admit. I'd invite this ramen over for a little party. Why not? I'm gonna put this spring onion up here. And immediately regret that I did. I think maybe it should have gone right here, but I don't care. Well, I care to a degree, but not to a degree that's going to make me try to get all this stuff out. It's good enough. Yes, yes. You can start to see the oil clumping up a little bit. That might require a little bit of God. Woo. Not a crap load of it, a decent amount, but not a crap load. And then some shichimi. And that's how I roll. That is what it is. You're all done? Mm-hmm. Okay, well, hang out with Miles for a few. You only got a few minutes and then it's time for you to go to school. Good job, Mimi. Good job being on point, on task, and generally perfectly wonderful. Oh. Come on, center. Yeah, we'll do that. That's 2 today, and I got 10 minutes left. That's rad. Anyways, it's been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe, sell me your children. I don't care. Well, no, keep your kids. I got 2 of my own. They're a lot of work. But yeah, this came out of an Umai crate. Go over to japancrate.com. Use the coupon code the Ramen Raider. Get yourself a snazzy little discount. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.